We are all so excited. We have a lot of people, around 800 plus people here today. So they are from Sharda Mandir School Miramar as well as from Sharda Mandir School Kadamba. It's the very first time that parents, staff and students of both the schools are coming together, and so we are so happy that they've all come together for a cause here. Today we are celebrating the National Science Day together, and we have around 6 telescopes here which has been pointing to the different planets and the moon. We are so thankful to our chairman, Mr. Dattraj Salgokar, for gifting us these things for our school. So the initiative was like, we wanted to have an astronomy and space lab for both the schools. So we're so happy to announce that next month we'll be inaugurating the one in Kadamba. Miramar will take a little more time. But then meanwhile, we thought that we should have this event for the parents, wherein all of them come together to observe these planets, and all of us are enjoying it out here right now. Thank you so much.
Today's program is the initiative of our chairman, Mr. Dattraj Salgokar, who believes that our children should be above all other things that we academics. So he has introduced robotics and artificial intelligence, and now he wants to introduce astronomy. So to encourage children to go beyond the books. And today being National Science Day in memory of C.V. Raman, the Raman effect, we thought of organizing this program today. You will see there are 8 telescopes, different sizes, and these 8 telescopes are focused in two telescopes are focused towards moon, 2 telescopes towards Jupiter, and telescope on nebulae. So children can have a look, everyone can have a look on this. Over 800, this is a joint venture. We brought both the schools together. Parents, students and teachers of both the schools have come together here, and we have over 800 participants today. So this is something unique, and the response has been very good. So we expect to have these programs every year.
Hi, my name is Hiba and I'm here in Sharda Mandir right now. My daughter is studying in 4th standard. What an amazing the way they have organized it. I'm so excited because I was never a science student, the art student. But being here, it's been so amazing, and I think the teachers, the faculties, and the people who have maybe come from outside, that being outsourced, they are so amazing. And we've got to see Jupiter. Moon is already done. We are waiting for another arrangements, the newborn stars, which we just came to know. So we are very excited to see, and here we go.
Sharda Mandir student, and I'm in standard 4. I always had interest in science and I love the planets. So we just learned that stars are actually millions of years old, and the light travels and we see them after so long. So after learning this, I have so many questions. We even saw Jupiter and we saw the moon. This is so awesome. I love science, and this was a spectacular moment for me.
My name is Stacey Dias and I'm from Santa Cruz. As an art student, and we first time ela popak Sharda Marina, and it was so good to see over here. And we have learned so many about stars, planets, koi planets जातात, कितना time, and see the Jupiter. It was really good. So आम्ही चोड शिकले like stars कितलो time हे घेतात, stars काय form जातात. सो तेंचे स्टाफ आनी तेंच्यांनी बरे भाशेन दाखयलें आमकां. पयलीं आमकां तितली आयडिया नासली. आमी आतां बेश्टी स्टार्स पळयता पळय. आतां केन्ना आमी स्टार्स पळयतलीं तेन्ना आमकां दिसतालें की सो दीस इज जुपिटर, दीस इज प्लॅनट्स. पयलीं आमी बेश्टी पळयतालीं. सो आतां मातशें एक्सायटमेंटान पळयता. दे हॅव ऑल्सो इंट्रोड्यूस सम ऑफ द एप्स. तितूनय पळोवपाक जाय. तुमकां आतां पळोवपाक आनी न्यू व्यू कहो सारको. And Science Day, it is really good.
My name is Adam Fernandez. Right now, this telescope is aimed at Jupiter. You can even see 4 of Jupiter's moons. I have in my previous school. We studied about astronomy over there. Some are surprised. Some have seen them before. Yeah, it's a mixed reaction.
आज हांगा आमी मिरामार बिचार आसात आणि आज भरपूर गर्दी जाली. एक 6:30च्यान आतापर्यंत 8:30 पर्यंत खूबच गर्दी जाली. आज खूब हायप आशिल्लो की आज सगळे प्लॅनेट्स लायनीन येवपाचे आसा, अलायनमेंट ऑफ प्लॅनेट्स. सो मंगळ ग्रह सोडून बाकीचे सगळे ग्रह जे आसा प्लॅनेट्स आमचे ऑलमोस्ट एका लायनीन आशिल्ले आज. ज्युपिटर, सॅटर्न, युरेनस, नेपच्यूनूय आशिल्ले आनी मर्क्युरी, विनस हे सगळे एका लायनीन दिशिल्ले. सो तातूंतले थोडेशे टेलिस्कोपान दिश्टी पडले, बाकीचे सगळे दिश्टी पडूना. पण हांगा खूब लोक आयले आनी ही जेन्ना बातमी सोशल मिडियान पसरली तेन्ना खुबूच एक हायप क्रिएट जालो, खूब लोकांक इंट्रस्ट निर्माण जालो. एक अशें कुतूहल जालें की हे आमी हातून वी शूड पार्टिसिपेट इन दीस. आनी आज बरोच प्रोत्साहन मेळ्ळें. आतां तर गर्दी कमी जाली, पण 6:30 जेन्ना सुरू करताले अशे शेकड्यांनी लोक अशे लायनीन राविल्ले आशिल्ले. मॅनेज जातले ना अशी परिस्थिती आशिल्ली. आनी सगळ्यांनी पोट भरून म्हणटा तशें हे प्लॅनेट्स पळयले, हांचे बद्दल इन्फॉर्मेशन आमचे कडेन विचारलें, हाजे बद्दल डिस्कस केलें, हाजे बद्दल जाणून घेतलें आनी ह्या एक क्षणाचो असो आस्वाद घेतलो. सो हे अशे जे आमचे युनिवर्सान घटना घडटात, ज्यो घडामोडी ज्यो जातात, अलायनमेंट जाता, गिराण जातात, केन्नाय उल्कापात जाता, हे अशे इव्हेंट आसा की आमच्या ब्रह्मांडान आमकां एक शो आमकां पळोवंक मेळटा. आमकां ताका कांय पयशे पडना, फक्त थोडे इंट्रस्ट आमकां ताका दिवचे पडटा. सो अशी ह्या सगळ्या जे इव्हेंट्स आसात गोंयान खूब लोक येवन हाजो आस्वाद घेतात, हे आमकां खूब बरें दिसता. आनी भरपूर लोकांचो रिस्पॉन्स आनी डिमांड असले एक्टिविटीजांक गोंयान आसा. हय, लोकांचो भरपूर इंट्रस्ट वाडपाक लागला आनी कंटिन्युअसली फोन येतात, मेसेजी येतात की आमकां फुडलें केन्ना करूंक मेळटलें. आतां एप्रिलान वेकेशन येवपाचें आसा. वेकेशन म्हणजे NEPन मातशें स्कुलां बी आसतलीं, पूण सांजचे लोक फ्री आसतात. सो एप्रिलान कितें तरी एस्ट्रोनॉमीचें आमकां करूंक मेळटलें. हें सगळें आमकां म्हणजे खूब बरें दिसता की लोकांक इतलो इंट्रस्ट आसा. फक्त सरकारान हाजे कडेन मातशें लक्ष दिवचें आनी एस्ट्रोनॉमी आनी आमची ऑब्जर्वेटरी जी गोंयान आसात त्यो बऱ्यो डेव्हलप करच्यो आनी लोकांक एक संद दिवची, मेळून एक आपलें सायंटिफीक स्पिरीट असल्या एक्टिविटीजांत पार्टिसिपेट करून वाडोवपा खातीर.
You can see Jupiter and the moon in this telescope. That too, you can see Jupiter's ring if you look at it, if you focus at it. Thank you.
What about moon?
The moon, you can see its craters. It's more visible. I've seen I've not seen Jupiter before, but the moon, yeah. On this telescope, I saw I saw Jupiter. It's very unique, with especially the storm, which is like has been raging on it for thousands of years. Also, I also saw the moon on that telescope, and it was really visible, and you could see like the craters. And I wish I could have seen the flags also, which they put on the moon, because that would have been really nice. Also, the craters, they were so visible, you could literally see the outlines and all, even the smallest one. I saw Saturn also. Its rings were pretty amazing, and overall it was a very good experience.
Do you like astronomy?
Yeah, I like it.
So today I saw moon, Jupiter, Venus and Saturn, and it was a very wonderful experience. This is the second time I'm seeing it, but this experience was very good, and I saw Saturn for the first time with the rings, and I'm very happy about it.